today. Basic eye-to-eye hold under here, just like that. Basic eye-to-eye hold. That's easy.
Yeah.
Cuddle hold. Hey, hold on there. Where you can then stretch them back behind you. So if we're doing our kicking exercises, you can kick and they cuddle. So that's another good hold. The other hold is side prone hold, where you get them under the arms like that. And you see how I can keep her horizontal in the swimming position, making sure she keeps her chin out of the water. So these are all the different holds. The other way to hold her there then is tick my hands. Yeah, you're laughing, that's good. My hands underneath here, see that? So now I can tip her up, keep her chin out of the water, but she's in that horizontal swimming position. So they're the basic holds. And then the key is this: the more you can move them, if you're having any spare time in the lesson, this is very important. On the back, on the ear, on the ear, on the back, on the ear. Because babies are born with billions of neurons, but very few synapses, the connecting tissues. So the more you move them like that, the more you're developing synapses, and that's wiring back to the brain for future movement and intelligence. So that's why you've got nothing to do? No. There's always something to do in the lesson. You know? Don't say, oh, it was boring. Do something about it. Don't just... Right? It's not boring if you're doing things. And if there's a cup handy, you grab the cup and you just... And as they get to do hold on like there now, she's holding on. I can give her a double thing. I'll give her this, plus holding on. So she's got a... You going to get up? I'll give you another one. You gonna get up? Yeah. Oh yeah, she's kicking her legs around here. She got a leg around there. You cheated. You cheated. You cheated. You cheated. I said you cheated.
Did you?
You cheated. Did you cheat? Oh, that's good. You're going to get it to a popper? You're going to swim out and get it? Come and get it. Come and get it. Come on. There she goes. You got it. You got it. Let's put it over here so you can go back and get it. This is boring grandfather talk, isn't it? Huh? I just wanted to give you a bit of an idea, an education on what baby swimming's about.
It's really exciting for us.
Mate, I hope you really grasp it and go for it, because you won't get a better swim school in the world, mate.
Yeah, the way it's
Huh? Good, good. What's that, love? He'll come down and give him some swimming. Stand up out there. But the whole idea is as much exploration. Now what I've done is I've just taken it from the real shallow over to here where it's up to her chest. Here it's a little bit shallower again, and that's real shallow. She probably won't go here by herself because she has difficulty getting her hands on the bottom here. It's just that fraction deep for her to put her hands down. What's that? What's that? What is it? What is it? But the whole thing is, you got to talk to them like little people all the time, and that's how their language develops and all those other things that come with it, you know. Because the swimming, with this experiment that Robin Jorgensen did, she found that kids that have swimming lessons, they're up to 10 months ahead of their peers by the time they get to prep at 4 years of age, in counting and all those sorts of things. It's amazing. And she is Emirates professor down in Canberra, and she was here at Griffith University when she did the study. But it's amazing. What are you doing? What did you push me for? What did you push me for? Hey? What did you push me for? Why did you push me? Hey, that's going over there. You gonna get it? There you go. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Look at you. You got it. Ah, you got it. What, do you want a board? Do you want a kickboard? Do you want Papa to get a kickboard? You want a kickboard? We're not up to this yet, but you are very advanced. Do you want to hold your kickboard? Hold it, hold it. Okay, here we go. It's really, hold on, hold on, hold on. Come on. Hold on. Hold on. I'll take you for a ride. Ready? Hold on. Let's do it this way. Let's do it this way. You hold the board, and Papa will hold you. You got it? Ooh. Okay, over you go. But if you just leave a board around, she'll start picking it up, and then before we know it, I'll have a hole in the board and take it for a ride.
Yeah.
So that's a bit of a prelude on where you're going to go. So it's not magic. Let's get it that way. It's not magic. It's whether you follow your skill build. You don't try to do something that they're not ready for.
Right, for sure.
So you have to skill build, like anything if you want to be successful at it. You skill build and you give them the opportunity to explore, praise good work and come back and repeat. If they're not happy, don't do it. It's just using common sense. Oh, what's up? What do you want to tell me? Did you like it when Georgia bumped your head the other day? Hey? Did you like it when Georgia hit your head bonk? Did you like it? Yeah, you bumped your head.
Georgia bumped your head.
Did you like that? Oh, yes, that's what happened. You hit your head. You hit your head. So, it's not magic, mate. It's just exposure.
Yes.
Huh? Exposure and skill building. That's all. Anyone can do it.
You can do it. Yeah, you do it.
2 lessons a week I recommend. It just depends on what people can afford. But I'd sting the grandparents for 2 lessons a week.